right, so I'm going to be going over how to make money with BlockFi in 2021 on Autopilot. Now, I've been using BlockFi for the last couple of months. I've got $1,200 in my account, so it's not like I'm sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars in here, but the potential for earning some free passive income for literally doing nothing is pretty amazing on here, I'm not going to lie. Now, as I'm going over this, if you guys want to learn more about BlockFi or check them out, I'll throw some resource and bonus links in both the description and comments. And I do want to point out that even though I only have about $1,200 in BlockFi right now, I've got well over $200,000 invested in some different crypto exchanges, but you know, I'm kind of tied into my positions on some things, so I can't really move any more money around just yet. Now, I do plan on, you know, getting my account up to at least $10,000 so I could see what the interest payments are going to be like. But for different coins on here, you're going to get paid different amounts of money. So I'm going to kind of go over that. Right now, I'm mainly holding on to Ethereum because honestly, I just think that the price on Ethereum right now is just so low, you know, and the cool thing about earning this interest is that, you know, you're going to get the coin appreciation on top of these interest payments. So the money's going to compound, which is really powerful and honestly just really cool. And, you know, I think Ethereum could easily hit, you know, $10,000 by the end of 2021. I think it is a real possibility. I would say 5,000 at the lowest. But I do want to pull up some of the interest rates here. So, you know, the different coins on here like Bitcoin, Chainlink, Litecoin, they're going to have different percentages. The percentage also goes down if you're holding, you know, anywhere from 15 to 1,000 Ethereum coins. But at the same time, you know, the percentage is still really good. And you got to think about it like this. If you're holding some Bitcoin or Ethereum on maybe some other exchanges, if you just move that over to BlockFi, you could start earning some free interest every month. I mean, there's really no reason not to, you know, move your Bitcoin or Ethereum onto BlockFi, honestly. Unfortunately for me, I don't own a ton of Bitcoin or Ethereum. I probably own maybe like $10,000 total of Ethereum, and I just haven't moved it over to here yet. But just going through some of the different coins on here, you know, like I said, you've got, you know, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, and not a lot of coin options, unfortunately, but they do have some cool features for setting up recurring deposits. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty powerful. All right, so basically the way you make money on BlockFi, you keep growing your account to earn more and more passive income every month. Now, the way this income is paid is it's reinvested into the coins you have, and they pay right at the end of the month every month, which is really cool. There's no option for it to just go into cash that I've seen. It has to, like, you know, be reinvested like a dividend payment back into the coins that you own. But I mean, it's whatever, right? It's not a really big deal. Now, the other way you can make money on BlockFi is doing crypto-backed loans. And they have a really low interest rate for borrowing money on here. So if you ever wanted to borrow money for anything, they'll give you a loan at a really low interest rate. Then you could take that money, buy more cryptocurrency, or do whatever you want with it to make more money, right? So anyways, guys, I'm just excited about using BlockFi. I think it's a cool opportunity, especially if you're somebody who's holding on to, like, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, or Litecoin, because those are the coins available here right now. And, you know, I mean, why not earn some passive income off of your cryptocurrency, right? Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about BlockFi, like I said, I'll throw some resource links in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.